Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I will explain you NCERT class 3rd EVS chapter 13, sharing our feelings. Key points. Practice question of chapter 21, family can be different, which we have done in my previous video. If you missed that video, go through the link given here. Sensitivity towards the old and physical challenge. Basic idea about Braille, differently able. Practice question of chapter 21. Question number 1. Sarah and Rajat living only with their parents in a dash family. A. Joint. B. Single parent. C. Nuclear. D. All of these. The answer will be nuclear. Question number 2. By which of these way can you help your mother? A. Talking. B. Fighting. C. Making home untidy. D. Setting the table. So answer will be setting the table. Question number 3. In a single parent family, a child lives with A. Uncle and aunt, B. Father, C. Either father or mother, D. Mother. So answer will be C. Question number 4. Aryan lives with his parents and grandfather. Who is the head of the family? A. Grandfather, B. Father, C. Elder brother, D. Mother. So answer will be grandfather. Grandfather is the head of the joint family. Question number 5. Which of the following things a family does together? Eat together, B. Live together, C. Sleep together, D. All of these. So answer will be all of these. Question number 6. Some families adopt children to A. Fill space in the family house, B. Complete their family, C. Increase the size of family, D. None of these. So answer will be complete their family, because in some families they don't have child, so they adopt the child. Question number 7. The grandparents, parents and children live together in a dash family. A. Adopted. B. Joint. C. Single parent. D. All of these. So answer will be joint. In joint family, all the members live together in a family. Question number 8. Father works in a bank and his son goes to school. They both are the only members in the house. So what will the answer? A. Joint family. B. Single parent family. C. Adopted family. D. All of these. So answer will be single parent family. In single parent family, child either live with mother or father. Now fill in the blanks. A. Your mother's mother is your dash grandmother. Yes. Maternal or paternal? Yes. Maternal grandmother. Your mother's mother is your maternal grandmother. Tauji or Bua live with us in a dash family. Nuclear or joint? Yes. In a joint family, Tauji or Bua live with us. Question number C. We learn many things from a dash before we learn from anywhere else. So option will be family or society? Family. We learn many things from our family. D. A family with grandparents, uncle, aunt, parents and cousin is dash family. Which type of family will be this? Nuclear or joint? Joint family. Few families who do not have a baby can dash to complete their family. Adopt or migrate. They can adopt a child to complete their family. So answer will be adopt. Children of your aunt or uncle will be your siblings or cousin. Yes, they will be your cousins. So answer will be cousins. These are the answers. God gave us sense organ to share our feelings towards others. New words to learn. Blindfold, those who cannot see. Communicate, convey our thought. Handicap, not able to use the part of body. Braille, symbol. Anxious means showing worry. Script, handwritten. Sensitization. There are some few points to remember. Five sense organs help us in sharing our feelings. God gave us five sense organs to share our feelings: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes to see, ears to listen, nose to inhale, tongue to taste, and skin to feel. Differently able? Differently able people are those people who are not able to use one or more of their senses or body parts. That person we can call differently abled. Braille script is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. Sign language. It is a way of communication in which we uses our hand movement instead of spoken words. Now, this is a story of Ravi Bhaiya or Seema. In this story, Seema lives with her Nani, parents, and Ravi Bhaiya. Nani cannot see, so every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. Second person in the family is Ravi Bhaiya. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The student of the college respect him a lot. A few of them come home to study from him. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking part in play. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. He has good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. Ravi Bhaiya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have rows of raised point. He reads by running his finger on the raised dots. So children, Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but still he is able to read the books. So there is a special books which Ravi Bhaiya reads. These are the books invented by Louis Braille. It is called Braille script. In this book, they have six raised dots. Let us learn about Louis Braille. Louis Braille belonged to France. One day, when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tools. Suddenly, a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. He had keen interest in studies. He didn't give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he invented Barrel script, where they can write and read with the touching or feeling. This is called barrel script. In this type of script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Because these dots are raised by they can be read by running the finger on them. This script is based on 6 points. This script has 6 points, so blind people touch the uh, point and can read and write. So this is the Braille script. Here you can see 26 letter can be written in a 6 raised dot. A is belong to this raised dot. B is two big raised dot. C in this way. D in this way. So this is the Braille alphabet invented by Louis Braille. So children, this is your task. You have to make India with these dots. Okay, I. So for I, you have to do these dots. Okay, N, D, I, A. Okay, these are the answers. You have to color in this way to write down the India in Braille script. Thank you. In my next video, I will provide some practice question related to this chapter. Please like and subscribe.